Hey there, space enthusiasts! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of astronomy, specifically for beginners. So, let's explore the night sky together. Did you know that the night sky is filled with a myriad of celestial objects? From stars to planets, galaxies to nebulae, the universe is truly awe-inspiring. Now, let's start with the basics. The stars we see in the sky are actually distant suns, just like our own sun. They're so far away that they appear as tiny points of light in our sky. But wait, there's more. The planets we see in our solar system are also celestial objects. They're much closer to us than the stars, and their orbits around the sun make them visible to us at different times of the year. Moving on, galaxies are vast collections of stars, gas, and dust, held together by gravity. They come in different shapes and sizes, and our own Milky Way is just one of many galaxies in the universe. Nebulae, on the other hand, are clouds of gas and dust that can be found in space. They come in various shapes and sizes, and some even give birth to new stars. And lastly, let's talk about comets. These icy, dusty objects can be found in the outer reaches of our solar system, and they're known for their spectacular tails when they approach the sun. So, there you have it, folks. A brief introduction to astronomy for beginners. We hope you enjoyed this journey through the night sky. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to follow and subscribe for more cosmic adventures. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep exploring.